side. Turn in a bit. Open the steering up. Go for the right side. And just let it roll. Just let it roll. Over to the left. Bit of power again. Power. Okay, now brake. Off the brake, let it roll.
Brake.
Turn in to the left. And brake again. Nice. Off the brake. Just let it roll for a bit. Yes. Accelerate. Turn in. Brake. Nice. Turn in. Get close to the barrier here. Okay. You see? That was a bit too much steering.
Yeah, understeer.
Yes. Okay. Stay on the right and brake. Harder. Nice. Turn in. Okay. And accelerate. Open the steering up while. You see how much track we are leaving?
Yeah.
We're like 3 meters. Okay, so when brake
I
a
feel
bit,
safer like that.
brake a bit, brake, enough, turn in. So when you're accelerating out of the corner, okay, you open up the steering, okay, brake, hard, yes, turn in, brake again, okay, turn in, and accelerate. So these double braking zones, they are very important, okay, turn in, especially in this car, brake again, turn in, and accelerate, over to the left, and brake, brake, turn in, stay on the right side, stay, turn over, accelerate, nice, stay on the right side, and stay on the power, turn in a bit, yes, open the steering up, stay on the left, off the throttle, and brake, harder, enough, turn in, accelerate again a bit, indicator to the left, and overtake.
This is my friend.
You got your lights on.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah. No, the flashlight.
Ah, thank you.
And off the throttle, just let it roll, and brake, indicator to the left, easy, and overtake. Yeah, he has seen us, a bit of throttle again, and brake, 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 brake. Okay, stay on the outside, turn in a bit more, and accelerate again. Go over to the right, turn in, nice, make it a straight line, stay on the throttle, and brake, off the brake, let it roll, and brake again, enough, turn in, stay on the left, and brake, turn in, accelerate a bit, stay on the right side. I want you to brake early here, brake, brake, over, turn in, more to the inside, yes, turn over, and easy on the throttle, sensible, accelerate, yes. Go to the right, and I want you to cut, only get close to the grass for this short moment, okay? And then go over to the right, brake, harder, okay, enough, turn in, over to the right side, and brake, turn in, easy, understeer, turn over to the left, and brake early, like I said.
Outside.
Brake, brake, outside, easy, brake a bit. Most crashes in the rain, this corner, okay?
hard.
Always be very cautious in the rain here. Brake, enough, turn in, stay on the left, and brake, stay on the left for the whole corner. Nice.
Miss.
Yes, in the rain it's miss. Stay on the left, double braking zone, brake, off the brake, turn in, brake again, off the brake, let it roll in, back on the power a bit, turn in, and accelerate. Stay on the left, stay on the power, stay on the power. And brake hard, 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 hard. Are you getting off the brake in between the corner? We're getting off the brake.
Yeah, I was doing ABS.
Oh, brake? The car has ABS.
Yeah.
You don't need to do it.
My car is older.
Yeah. But you noticed it, right? We were braking, then we were not braking, then we were braking. Okay.
That's my fault, I'm sorry.
No, no worries. I'm there to teach you stuff like that. Yeah. No braking, just let it roll. Stay on the left. And brake. Stay on the left, brake, brake. Enough, turn in. And accelerate. Go to the left of the track. Stay on the power. Turn in. Open the steering up a bit, only a bit. Yeah, off the throttle, on the brake, brake. Yeah, turn in. Turn over. Aim for the orange sign there, yeah?
Yeah.
Turn in a bit, yes. Turn a bit more. Straight. Off the throttle, brake a bit. Enough. Turn in. And back on the power. Stay on the left. And brake. Enough. Stay on the left. Turn in. Back on the power. Okay, I want you to stay on the right side and brake very hard. And brake. You see? Very much grip here.
Yeah.
If you would have done the same thing on the left side,
Yeah.
you would have
ABS.
gone into ABS. Okay? So I want you to stay on the right side and brake hard now. Hard, hard, hard. You feel it?
Yeah. It's
Less
go.
grip.
It goes.
Less grip. That's the rubber from the tires. That is on the track.
Yeah, I can feel it really.
So
I really feel it.
that's why I always tell people that you need to drive a different line in the wet, because you have a lot more grip on the outside of the corner. Okay, brake a bit and stay on the outside. Enough, stay on the outside, turn in, accelerate again. So in the rain, completely different line. Brake, stay on the right side, turn in, get over to the left side, accelerate a bit, turn in and accelerate. Stay on the left and brake. Stay on the left, turn in. Now we're getting on the rubber, accelerate. Stay on the left. And brake. Stay on the left, stay, turn in. Yeah, we're crossing the line, brake. Turn in again. Stay away from the curb. Turn in. Accelerate, and I want you to stay on the left. And brake, stay, turn in. Nice. Stay on the right here. And brake early, downhill. Nice, turn in, stay on the outside. Accelerate a bit, now turn to the left side. And brake. Stay, turn in. Accelerate. Stay on the left and brake, easy. Stay, turn in. Stay on the left side a bit. So you don't go to the apexes of the corner in the wet, okay? Brake, stay on the right side, turn in, and accelerate again. Stay on the left a bit, there's also rubber here. Off the throttle, just let it roll, stay on the outside a bit, turn in, nice, accelerate a bit. And double braking zone, brake, off the brake, brake again, turn in, back on the throttle. Turn in a bit more, stay on the right, turn over. Accelerate to the outside, turn in, and brake a bit, enough, turn in, bit of power, yes, straighten up the car, stay on the throttle, full power now. Brake, stay on the left, off the brake, turn in, stay on the right side, brake, stay on the outside and accelerate a bit, only a bit, yes, and full power. Outside of the corner again, brake, brake, turn in, and accelerate, full power. Full grip, you notice it? Very good grip in this corner. Different tarmac. And brake, stay on the left side, turn in, bit of throttle, yes, stay on the left side, stay, turn in, easy with the turn in, no apex.
Sorry.
No worries, it's not that bad, we're here to teach you.
Yeah, the apex is, you know,
it's completely different than in the drive.
It's the instinct.
Yes.